Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Westmoreland. We're driving from Ferris to Montego Bay, or basically from Savlamar to Montego Bay. So we are on the Macfield Main Road, and this road was sometimes referred to as a highway because of how it looks, but this is the Macfield Main Road that was renovated under the Greater Infrastructure Development Program a few years ago. Now, Western Jamaica is seeing a lot of development. Now, the city in Western Jamaica is Montego Bay. That's where you find the airport and basically all the government infrastructure, banks, insurance companies, everything for the western part of Jamaica is in Montego Bay. And then you have Savlamar now, which is the capital of Westmoreland, and it's the largest town in Jamaica. Remember, Montego Bay is a city. So you have a lot of commerce going on between Savlamar and Montego Bay. And this is the road that would connect you, or one of the roads. You can also go on the Northern Coastal Highway, but then you have to go through Negril and go up the coast. Not to mention Negril. It's one of the main tourist areas in Jamaica, and this is one of the main roads you take to go from Westmoreland basically to Montego Bay. And you have a lot of communities or districts off this road, very popular areas that also would need to go to either Savlamar or Montego Bay. So this is the road they would take. This road has also cut the travel time down between Savlamar and Montego Bay a great deal. What a drive that would take over an hour now takes half an hour.